of exquisite Chinese cuisine? Look no further. We have gathered 5 mouth-watering Chinese recipes that are easy to make and guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a beginner, these dishes are simple, yet packed with flavors
that will
transport you straight to the streets of China. First on our list is the classic sweet and sour chicken. This dish combines tender
chicken pieces with a tangy sauce made from vinegar,
sugar, and soy sauce. The result is a harmonious blend of sweet and sour flavors that will leave you wanting more. Serve it with steamed rice.
and enjoy the perfect
Balance of textures and tastes. If you're a fan of spicy food, mapo tofu is a must-try. This Sichuan specialty
features silky tofu cooked sauce made with chili,
bean paste and Sichuan peppercorns. A numbing sensation from the peppercorns creates a unique and addictive flavor. Add some ground pork for a heartier dish, and you'll have a plate of spicy goodness that will tingle your taste buds. Next up, we have the ever-popular Kung Pao chicken, named after a Qing dynasty official. This dish features succulent chicken, peanuts, and vegetables, all stir-fried in a rich sauce. The key to achieving the perfect Kung Pao flavor is the balance between sweet, savory, and slightly spicy.
with a touch of vinegar and soy sauce.
This dish is a taste, delightful explosion of tastes that will leave you craving more. For a lighter option, try steamed fish with ginger and soy sauce. This dish showcases the delicate flavors of fresh fish combined with the aromatic warmth of ginger and the umami richness of soy sauce. The gentle steaming process ensures that the fish remains tender and moist. Serve it with steamed vegetables for a healthy and satisfying meal that is as delicious as it is nourishing. Last but not least, we cannot forget the iconic fried rice. This versatile dish can be customized with your choice of protein and vegetables, making it a perfect way to use up leftovers. Simply stir-fry day-old rice with eggs, soy sauce, and your preferred ingredients, and you'll have a flavorful and satisfying meal ready in minutes. It's comfort food at its finest. There you have it. 5 easy Chinese recipes that are guaranteed to impress your taste buds. Whether you prefer sweet and sour, spicy or savory dishes, these recipes offer a range of flavors that capture the essence of Chinese cuisine. So put on your chef's hat and get ready to embark on a culinary journey to China with these delicious dishes. Happy cooking!